Let's proceed to item number 10. If we have the integration of square root of v to the 8 minus 6v to the 7 power plus 9v to the 6 power dv. Now I can write this as the integration of v to the 8 minus 6v to the 7 plus 9v to the 6 raised to 1/2 dv. Now what you have observed, notice that this expression here can be factored out into this one, v to the 4th power minus 3v to the cube dv raised to 1/2. Now remember, this is just equal to the integration of square root of v to the 4th minus 3v to the 3rd. So squared, we have squared here, and this cancels out, so we have left over 7v to the 4th minus 3v cubed dv. And now what I'm going to do is to just integrate this directly. So this becomes integration of v to the 4th minus 3 integration of v cubed dv. So this becomes v to the 4th plus 1 is v to the 5th over 5 minus 3 v to the 4th over 4 plus c. Let's not forget the arbitrary constant c. So our answer is this. Let's proceed to part B. Number 1. This is part B. We have the integration of negative 48 u to the 12 power plus 36 u to 8 du. This is just the sum and difference of integration, but it becomes negative 48 integration of u to the 12 power plus 36 integration of u to the 8 power du. So this becomes negative 48 u to the 13th power over 13 plus 36 u to 9 over 9 plus c. So we could reduce this 48 over 13 u to the 13th power plus 36 divided by 9 is just equal to 4 u to the 9th power plus c, and this is our answer. Let's proceed to item number 2 in part B. So we have the integration of 24 x to the 5th minus 12 x cubed minus x plus 2 dx. And this becomes integration. This becomes 24 integration of x to the 5th minus 12 integration of x cubed minus integration of x plus integration of 2 dx. This becomes 24 x to the 6 over 6 minus 12 x to the fourth over 4 minus x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. And this becomes, wait, this is not 25, this is 24, my mistake. This is equal to 4x to the 6 minus 3x to the 4th minus 1/2 x squared plus 2x plus c. This is our answer. We have item number 3. If we have the integration of 2 over y plus 5y squared over y squared minus 10 over y cubed minus 6x squared dy. That's x, that's y. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to rewrite this expression into this one. Integration of 2y inverse of y plus 5y to negative 2 minus 10 y to negative 3 minus 6y squared dy. This becomes 2. This y inverse is just 1 over y plus 5y to negative 2 minus 10 6 dy. This becomes 2, and the integration of y 1 over y is just natural log of y. Natural log of y minus 5. If we add 1 to this, it becomes negative 1. So this is negative 1 over negative 1 minus 10 plus 1 is negative 2 over negative 2 minus 6 y cubed over 3 plus c. This becomes 2 natural log of y plus 5 y inverse plus 5 y raised to negative 2 minus 2 y cubed plus c. Oh wait, this is positive, so this will be negative. So we could write this as 2 natural log of y minus 5 over y plus 5 over y squared minus 2y cubed plus c. And this is our answer. Let's proceed to number 4. Item number 4. We have integration of z cubed times 18c squared minus 10z plus 3 over 4z squared minus 5 over 2z to the 4th dz. First off, I have to distribute this c all over to this term. And this becomes integration of 18 c raised to c cubed times c squared is just c to the fifth minus 10 c to the fourth plus 3c cubed over 4 c squared minus 5z cubed over 2z to the fourth dz. So this becomes integration of 18z to the fifth minus 10z to the fourth plus this 3/4 z minus 5 halves c raised to negative 1 dz. So now we can integrate this expression right here. This becomes 18 integration of z to the fifth minus 10 integration of z to the fourth plus 3/4 integration of z minus 5 halves integration of z to negative 1 dz. This becomes 18 z to the 6 over 6 minus 10 z to the fifth over 5 plus 3/4 integration of z is just z squared over 2 minus 5 halves integration of this is just natural log of z plus c. So you can write this as 3 z to the 6 power minus 2c to the fifth plus 3 over 8 z squared minus 5 halves natural log of z plus c. And this is our final answer. Well, let's proceed to item number 5. This is for part B. Item number 5. If we have this integration of 4 square root of r minus cube root of r squared minus 6 fourth root of r squared dr. So what I'm going to do in order for us to not get confused along the way, so this we could rewrite this as 4 r raised to 1/2 minus r raised to 2 over 3 minus 6 raised to r raised to 3/4 dr. So now what I'm going to do is to integrate this whole thing right here directly. So this becomes 4 integration of r raised to 1/2 minus integration of r raised to 2/3 minus 6 integration of r raised to 3/4 dr. So this becomes 4 r 1 half r to 1 half plus 1 over 1 half plus 1 minus r to 2/3 plus 1, then 2/3 plus 1, third plus 1 minus 6 r to 3/4 plus 1 over 3/4 plus 1 plus c. And this becomes 4. 1 half plus 1 is 3 halves, r to 3 halves, minus r 2/3 plus 1, 3, 5 halves, half 5/3 over 5 over 3, minus 6. 3/4 plus 1 is 4, 7 over 4, r raised to 7 over 4 over 7 over 4 plus c. This becomes 2 over 3 times 4 r raised to 3 over 2 minus 3/5 times r raised to 5 over 3 minus 6 times 4 over 7 r raised to 7 over 4 plus c. This becomes 4 times 2 is 8 over 3 r raised to 3 halves minus 3/5 r raised to 5/3 minus 16 times 4, 6 times 4 is just 24 over 7 r raised to 7 over 4 plus c. And this is our answer. So let's proceed to item number 6. If we have this integration of 3 over 2 x squared, no, it is x squared, square root of x plus 2 over 6 cube root of x dx. You could write this as 3 over 2 x raised to 1 half plus 2 over 6 x raised to 1/3 dx. What I'm going to do is to write this into this one. 3 halves x raised to negative 1 half plus 2 6 x raised to negative 1/3 dx. This becomes 3 halves integration of x raised to 1 negative 1 half plus 2 over 6 integration of x raised to negative 1/3 dx. This becomes 3 over 2. 1 half plus 1 is just x raised to 1 half over 1 half plus this 2 over 6. We can rewrite this as 1 over 3 x 1/3 plus 1 3 3, so 2 2/3 over 2/3 plus c. This becomes 6. 2 times 3 6 divided by 2 is just 3. Square root of x plus 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 6. No, 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So could write this as 1/2 cube root of x squared plus c, and this is our answer. Let's proceed to item number 7 in part B. If we have integration of 3t raised to 5 minus 2t cubed plus 6 minus cube root of t over t dt. So what I'm going to do is to write this whole thing as integration of 3t to the 5th over t minus 2t cubed over t plus 6 over t minus 3 1 raised to 1/3 over t dt. So we could write this as integration of 3t to the 5th times t raised to -1 or t inverse minus 2 plus c dx. So let me just simplify this. This becomes 3 becomes t to the 4th minus 2 t squared plus 6 t inverse minus 3 negative 2/3 t negative 2/3 dt. So I integrate this becomes so this becomes 3 t to the 5th over 5 minus 2 t third t t to the third, or t cubed over 3 plus 6 natural log of t minus t plus 1 is just t 3 1/3 plus c. So this is our answer. Item number 7 or number 8, we have the integration of 7w minus 2 squared dw. What I'm going to do is to rewrite this, expand this into this 7w minus 2 times 7w minus 2 dw, and use the FOIL method. This becomes 14w squared minus 14w minus 14w plus 4 dw, and this becomes integration of 4w squared minus 14 plus 14 is just 28w plus 4 is 4 dw. So this becomes 14 integration of w squared minus 28 integration of w plus integration of 4 dw. I could write this as 4 w cubed over 3 minus 28 w squared over 2 plus 4w plus c. This becomes 14 over 3w cubed minus 14. Wait, it's totally wrong because I'm sleepy. I'm sorry. Integration w is 2 w. This becomes 49 w squared minus 14w minus 14w plus 4 w becomes 49 w cubed over 3 minus 28 over 2 w squared plus 4w plus c. This becomes 49 over 3w cubed minus 14 w squared plus 4w plus c. Let's proceed to item number 9 in part B. So we have integration of v squared minus 4v minus 3 squared dv. So this becomes v squared minus 4v minus 3 times v squared minus 4v minus 3 dv. Minus 3v squared minus 4v cubed plus 16v squared plus 12v minus 3v squared plus 12v plus 12v plus 9 dv becomes combine like terms